And the United States' planned mission to Mars is ready to take a significant step forward about 16 hours from now. NASA is set to conduct a test flight for a capsule called Orion. If all goes according to plan, it will one day take humans to Mars. CCTV's John Zarrella is at the Cape Canaveral launch site in Florida.
A Delta IV heavy rocket, and on top of that, the Orion spacecraft, set for its first test flight tomorrow morning, 7:05 Eastern Time. This is a huge, huge day for NASA. Orion is the future of the U.S. space program. Eventually, it will take humans around the moon to an asteroid and perhaps one day to Mars. On this 4.5-hour flight, the unmanned craft will reach a height of 5,800 kilometers above the Earth. Orion will then dive back into the atmosphere. At 30,000 plus kilometers per hour, its heat shield, the largest ever built, will take the brunt of temperatures reaching some 2,200 degrees Celsius. Now, during a news conference here just a little while ago, NASA Administrator Charlie Bolden talked about the future and how going to Mars had to be an international effort. He was also asked about a trip he made to China last month, where he talked with officials from the Chinese space program about potential involvement they would have in the future.
I would love to, but I won't. I won't bite.
Tomorrow, the very first test flight of the Orion spacecraft. It is, as NASA says, something they cannot downplay. I'm John Zarrella at Cape Canaveral, Florida.